Feeling lazy does not mean you are weak. It means your system is broken. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation is unreliable. Discipline works even without motivation. Discipline starts with small. Big goals create fear. Fear creates procrastination. So we start small. 10 minutes is enough. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, the brain follows. Action creates motivation. Not the other way around. Not the other way around. Phones destroy discipline. Put your phone away. Make focus easy. Your environment controls behavior.
Not willpower. Set a fixed daily time. Same time, every day. Habits remove thinking. When time comes, act. No excuses. Track your progress. Small wins matter. They build confidence. Confidence fuels discipline. Never miss twice. One miss is human. 2 misses become habit. So show up again. Even if energy is low. Discipline grows slowly. Like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Reward effort. Not perfection. Perfection kills action. Progress beats perfection. Change your identity. Say, I am disciplined. Identity controls behavior. Stop listening to feelings. Feelings change. Actions stay. Do the work anyway. This builds character. Character builds confidence. Confidence creates freedom. Freedom creates choices. Choices create life. You don't need extreme routines. You need simple systems. Simple is powerful. Complex creates resistance. Reduce thinking. Increase action. Show up daily. Even on bad days. Bad days still count. Consistency compounds. Days turn into weeks. Weeks into months. Months change life. This is how discipline is built. Not overnight, but step by step. Focus on today, not the whole future. Today is enough. Start small today. Repeat tomorrow. Then again. That's discipline. That's success. That's growth. You are capable. You are not lazy. You just needed a system. Now you have one. Follow it daily. And trust the process. Results will come. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Stay disciplined. This channel will guide you. Every single day. One step at a time. No pressure. No excuses. Just action. Start now. Not tomorrow. Your future self is watching. Make yourself proud. Build discipline. Change your life.